fall, fall. Our love is a waterfall, up above the world, standing so tall.